Hey there, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to add a sidebar menu to your WordPress website. Sidebars are fantastic for organizing your content, showing extra links, or highlighting important features. Even if you're new to WordPress, don't worry. I'll walk you through everything step by step, and it's easier than you might think. First, open your preferred web browser and go to your WordPress website. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button in the top right corner. Go ahead and click it. When the login page pops up, you'll see several options, but the fastest way is to use Continue with Google. This allows you to sign in using your Google account without having to remember a separate password for WordPress. Just choose the account you want to use and you're in. Now that you're inside, look for the plus icon at the top left corner. Here, you'll see multiple options. Click whatever you want to do. Click that and you'll enter the site editor. This is where you can actually add and arrange elements on your pages. Now that we're in the site editor, let's start building the sidebar. Look at the top right corner for the plus icon. This is your add block button. Clicking it opens a menu with all kinds of elements you can add to your page. In the search field, type columns. Columns help divide your page into sections. For a sidebar, you'll want the 3/6 column layout. Think of it as splitting your page so your main content has more space, while the sidebar gets a nice, dedicated area on the side. This layout keeps everything balanced and visually appealing. After you select the 3/6 column layout, you'll see your page split into sections. Now it's time to add the sidebar itself. Click the plus icon in the smaller column. This is where your sidebar lives, and you can add menus, buttons, links, or any other widgets you want to show your visitors. Here's a little tip. Don't overload your sidebar. Keep it clean and focused. You can include your most important pages, categories, or a search bar. This not only looks better, but also makes it easier for visitors to navigate your site. To finish up, click the plus icon inside your sidebar area to add a block. Choose what you want. It could be a menu block, a list of links, or even a small newsletter sign-up form. Play around and see what fits your site best. You can always come back and change it later. And there you have it. Your WordPress site now has a fully functional sidebar menu. It's simple, it's fast, and it makes your website much more user-friendly. Take some time to explore different widgets and menus for your sidebar. Experimenting is the best way to find a style that suits your site. Thanks for following along and enjoy customizing your WordPress website. Happy designing!